Welcome to this guided meditation on breaking free of limiting beliefs. Begin by choosing a quiet, comfortable spot where you feel at ease. Sit or lie down, gently closing your eyes. Take a moment to connect with the environment around you, feeling grounded and at peace. Focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply, drawing in positivity and light, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension or negative thoughts. Feel your breath as a cleansing force, renewing your mind and spirit. Bring to mind any limiting beliefs that have been holding you back. These could be doubts about your abilities, fears of the unknown, or old narratives about who you are and what you can achieve. Acknowledge these beliefs without judgment. Understand that they are merely thoughts, not truth. With each exhale, visualize yourself letting go of these beliefs, seeing them drift away like clouds in the sky. In the space that's been cleared, plant new, empowering beliefs. With each inhale, imagine nurturing thoughts of strength, capability, and self-worth. Feel these positive beliefs taking root in your mind. Repeat to yourself, either silently or aloud, I am free from limiting beliefs. I have the power to create my reality. I am free from limiting beliefs. I have the power to create my reality. Let these affirmations resonate within you, building a foundation of confidence and freedom. Picture yourself walking a path free of the restraints of your old beliefs. See yourself moving forward with confidence, open to new possibilities and opportunities. Feel the liberation and joy that come with this freedom. As you come to the end of this meditation, start to bring your awareness back to your breath. Gently move your fingers and toes, feeling the energy of your new beliefs coursing through you. When you're ready, open your eyes, ready to embrace life with a renewed sense of purpose and freedom.